Today we're diving into the world of Italian coffee with the Mokapot. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned coffee drinker, this stovetop brewing method is sure to bring the bold flavors of Italy to your kitchen. A Mokapot is a stovetop brewing method that brews strong, concentrated coffee. Your heat source will heat the water in this chamber, converting it to steam, which will then force its way through your ground coffee that's sitting in your filter basket, making a really strong and robust coffee. Some call it stovetop espresso, but don't be fooled. It's a little less intense than true espresso. To make your perfect Mokapot coffee, you're going to need a few simple things. Obviously your Mokapot, some beans, a cup, filtered water, because clean water makes for a better coffee, and a stovetop or a portable burner. First, you want to grind around 15 to 18 grams of coffee to a medium grind, about the consistency of sand, because everyone loves sand, apart from Anakin.
I don't like sand.
For a 3-cup Mokapot, you're going to want to fill the bottom chamber with hot water to just below that safety valve. Using hot water is going to speed up this process and reduce bitterness, so it's very essential. Next, grab your filter basket and your ground coffee and just place. Try not to press on it too hard and just use the back of your finger to level it off. Using medium ground coffee is going to be key here. It's going to be a little bit coarser than espresso, but a little bit finer than drip coffee. Then place your filter basket into your bottom chamber and secure both tightly, making sure it's nice and tight so that there's no leaks. Place the Mokapot on medium heat. Open up the top so you can see the magic unfold. You'll start to see the coffee bubbling up into that top chamber. Once you hear a hissing or a gurgling sound, that is your sign your brewing is done. Remove the Mokapot from the heat source immediately to stop it from burning. Typical brew time for a Mokapot is anywhere between 3 to 6 minutes, just depending on the size of your stovetop, your heat source, and if you used hot or cold water. Give the coffee in the top chamber a quick stir, just to evenly distribute all of those flavors. Once you've done that, you're ready to pour. And there you have it, your perfect Mokapot coffee. Not all brews are perfect the first time, so here's how to dial in your taste. If the coffee is tasting a little bitter, try grinding your beans a little coarser or reducing the heat. If your coffee is tasting a little weak, you might want to grind your coffee a little finer or fill your basket up a little fuller. The resulting cup is bold and beautiful on its own, or you can add a milk of your preference. Plus, it's easy to use once you get the hang of it. Let us know how your Mokapot brews went in the comments below. We've got plenty of other coffee guides on our channel, so don't forget to subscribe.